Sony's PlayStation 5 has already made a significant impact on the gaming industry, with its cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and an impressive lineup of games. The 2023 version of Sony's PlayStation 5 has undergone refinements from the original model. It is a slightly smaller console featuring increased hard drive space, a new USB-C port, and an expandable disk drive bay. In this review, we will explore the features and benefits that a PlayStation 5 Slim might bring to the gaming community. One of the primary changes for a PlayStation 5 Slim is a more compact and streamlined design. The previous PlayStation 5, while impressive in its aesthetics, is relatively large and might not fit seamlessly into every gaming setup. A slim version addressed this concern by maintaining the powerful internals while adopting a more space-efficient and user-friendly form factor. PS5 models have been gradually getting lighter, with the PS5 Slim featuring a disc weighing 7 pounds, representing an 18% reduction compared to the previous model. The PS5 Slim Digital Edition is even lighter at 5.7 pounds, marking a substantial 24% decrease. Both new models have a 30% lower volume, making them a more compact option for those seeking a sleeker design near their television. The smaller PS5 is notably easier to set up horizontally. The cumbersome and awkward two-way stand from the first version has been replaced by two small plastic pegs that securely fit into the console's sides, providing stability. However, the downside is that the new PS5 doesn't come with a stand at all. Sony is encouraging users to purchase an improved version separately for $30. A power button and two USB ports continue to reside on the system's front, while the slot-loading Ultra HD Blu-ray drive is located in the white panel. The front USB plug remains a high-speed USB 2.0 port, more suitable for controllers and other simple peripherals, in contrast to the console's other super-speed USB 3.1 Gen 2 port, with the only variation being that both front USB ports are now USB-C. The back retains the same, two USB-A ports, HDMI, Ethernet port, and power cable connector. The most significant enhancement in the new PS5 is its storage capacity. It is equipped with a 1TB SSD, offering 848 GB of usable storage, a notable increase from the original model, which had a 667 GB SSD. Both consoles reserve slightly more than 150 GB for the system software. Similar to the first PS5, the new model features an internal M.2 SSD slot for the addition of another SSD. Users should ensure their SSD meets the specified requirements on Sony's website, although the upgrade process details have not been officially disclosed. Another significant hardware change is that the disk drive can be either removed or added later. By lifting one of the cover plates, you can access the drive and pull it out. You have the option to purchase it already attached to the console, while the digital edition is also available. It's important to mention that the console requires an internet connection when initially used with a disk drive attached. The internal components of the system, except for the SSD size, remain unchanged. The new PS5 features the same AMD Zen 2 CPU, RDNA 2 GPU, 16 GB of GDDR6 RAM, Wi-Fi 6, and Gigabit Ethernet as the original model. Its graphical capabilities, including ray tracing and the ability to output at up to 8K, remain identical. The 2023 PS5 comes in two variants, similar to the 2020 models. One includes an optical drive, while the other does not. The disc-based model maintains the original drive system's price of $499, while the all-digital system is priced $50 higher than its launch counterpart at $449. So, let's recap. Reasons to buy. Bigger 1TB SSD. New modular optical drive bay. The same performance. Smaller size and weight. Reasons to skip. Doesn't include a vertical stand. All-digital version costs more. The newly redesigned PlayStation 5 is slightly more compact in physical size and boasts increased storage capacity while retaining the same core features as the original model. If you're new to Sony gaming, then PS5 Slim is a better deal than the original. For existing PS5 owners considering an upgrade, it's advisable to wait and hope for a potential Pro or more robust model in the future. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.